Hey yo, this is Jasim from Code With Me, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you the arithmetic operators in Python. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So without any further, let's jump right into it. Alright, so arithmetic operations are just mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So the arithmetic operators will be like plus, minus and all. Okay, so we are gonna be discussing one by one. So first one, we are just printing out 5 plus 6, okay, where we use the plus as the arithmetic operation which is used for addition. So 5 plus 6, the output will be 11. Fine. So that's the first one, addition, okay, plus operator. Now the second one will be subtraction. So let me check with 6 minus 5 and let me do this. Yeah, we got 1. Fine. So that's the second one. Now the third one is simply multiplication. So 6 into 5. So which will give us 30. Okay, fine. Now that's okay. Now the fourth one is division. So I'll check with 6 by 2 first. I'll show you one by one. So we got 3.0. Now what we are getting here is a type of float. Okay, so in the regular division we always get a float. Even if the answer is turns to be an integer, we got it as a float, 3.0. So if we check like 11 by 3, okay, we'll get an answer of 3.6.6. okay, sorry, 3.666. So that's the case of regular division. Okay, regular, this stuff. Now we will look into modulus. Okay, so modulus is nothing but the remainder. So if we check suppose 6 mod 2 and the operator is this percentage sign. So if we check 6 mod 2 and if we run, we got 0. Okay, we got 0. 0 is the remainder. 6 by 2 is actually 3, but there is no remainder, so it's 0. So we'll check another example of let me say 5 mod 2. Okay, 5 mod 2, which will yield a remainder of 1. Okay, 5 by 2 is 2 times 2 is 4, then plus that 1 is the remainder here. Okay, so that's the modulus operator, this stuff. Now we'll look into exponentiation, which is nothing but the power. Okay, like if we print 2 power 2, we use the operator use this double star, by the way. So 2 power 2 is we could see 4. Now we could do another example of 3 power 3, so which is 27. So let me check the answer. Yeah, 27. So that's the exponentiation. Now the last one is floor division. We have already seen that the regular division yields us the float value, right? For the 6 by 2 we got 3.0. For 11 by 3 we got 3.666. What if we need just the the flow value, or the just 3 in this case? Okay, so in that case we will be using floor division. So if I print 11 by the operator used for floor division is double slash, so double slash 3. If I print, we got 3. Okay, so that's giving just the integer value, or the floor value, we could say. So that's the floor division. So this is the end of the video. I hope everything is clear from your side, and if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon near to it. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.